All right, today I'm gonna be giving y'all a tour of my 2000 Dodge Ram van 1500. Yes, I live in this van, so we're gonna be seeing how I do it and what all I have in it. And if you could do it, let me know. Might as well just start at the front with this bad boy right here. I got a normal, cheapest car battery at Walmart, plus this really good EverStart power converter, which lets me charge my phone and my big speaker. Shout out Walt for getting me this huge JBL speaker. Definitely has been one of the most useful things on the road. Never even needed. I don't even know if the speaker's working. I don't know why we skipped around to the water jug, but normally it's full of water. I just got my van back from a week at the shop, and you just pump the top, psh, psh, and then water comes out this, and then boom, easy breezy water. Got this refrigerator right here. It's just a cooler where I put all my stuff in it. I could put ice in it to keep stuff, but I just buy meats the same day that I cook them. I haven't went on a in the wild trip yet. Stay tuned. That's the only time I'll be buying ice and keeping meat for multiple days. Other than that, I'll just walk to the grocery store and buy something and cook it right then. I got a bunch of food, literally 2 big brown bags just of snacks and food, because even though I do live on the road, I can't sacrifice my essential needs. That's what I did the first year and a half or however long of van life, that now I've learned that was a rookie mistake. You can't sacrifice. Yeah, it's cheaper to live like that, but so what, bro? Get off your lazy butt, go get a job. You don't have to pay rent, so like, why not just go out there, go eat hard every day. I eat so much food every day, bro. I spend like 20-25 bucks just a day on me to eat, bro. That's crazy. I should be doing a lot cheaper than that. But in my defense, we're in California, so the food is priced a little bit too high, but I could see me spending at least like 50. Bro, really, it's expensive, bro. Meat, anything else you want, fruit or anything else, that's expensive. Like, dang, but you don't have to pay rent. So that $100 a day or $200 or however much it equivalates down to a day that you would spend on rent to just live in a home, literally sleep, which I got my big bed right here. All you're doing is sleeping and using the restroom, which I go to the gym every day for that. So I don't see what's different. And this is a car and a house in one. So I'm just living the best of all worlds right now, and I wouldn't change this for anything. I mean, maybe something bigger, but then it would drive differently. I just don't know how I would like that. Check me out, man. Van tour is still going on. We got whatever that's called, steering wheel cover, fire. We got a book and a bunch of random stuff right there. That's that one drawer in the house where you don't even know what's in there, but it's some useful stuff. We got the chessboard. We played about 3 times in Colorado at the very beginning of this year's trip. We got that another drawer full of cleaning supplies, extra toothbrush and just some extra cleaning. Then we have under here, we got 3 chairs, just count them, 1, 2, and another one. 3 chairs for a whole party of people to just sit outside in the campground somewhere. Yeah, I'm doing my laundry right now, so yeah. Oh, how could I forget? This is my pride and joy, my baby. Got some stickies on it. Bro, you open this sucker up, you attach one of these things to it. It's got something that hangs off the side, so it's like hangs right here. You seen it in my videos. Bro, oh my, hallelujah. Dang, it's a little dirty. She's dirty. I need to clean her. I cooked inside the van last night because I was staying in like a retirement home neighborhood. I shouldn't have been there, but it was right beside 24-hour fitness. So I was just like, yeah, it'll do. So now, after seeing the setup, tell me, could you or could you not live like this? Cause it's got its pros and cons, which I'll be doing a video about, but man, it's really just like sacrifices for you sacrifice some things for big benefits, and it's just like, I don't even think I could ever live in an apartment, at least until I get older or something. I don't know. This is so fun and so challenging, and it's like your own challenge. Like, you set the pace. Like, it could be super easy and you could just chill and not do nothing and live cheap, or you could push yourself, stack up a bunch of money, work and save up a bunch of money, and then go on an adventure, go to a different country, go to a different state, go to somewhere you've never been, explore with new people or your same people. Just get out your comfort zone. That's the point of one life, I think, is to get out your comfort zone and to see what there more is to life than what they portray here in America. I feel like they tell you what your dreams are. They don't even give you a chance to go find it and figure it out. There's none of that. Like, you get told it, you get forced to believe in, like, oh, I want to be a doctor. I want to be all these are jobs. Like, why would somebody want to be, like, in their head, like, oh, well, I can't wait till I'm older to work this certain job. Like, no, bro. What if you literally just want to travel and explore the world? Which I believe every human would love that. Other than people who suffer with all these mental health diseases, which I feel like mental health diseases have only even become a thing since technology in the world has been turning into whatever it is now. I feel like this wasn't even a thing before, but that's a different rant for a different day. And I appreciate y'all for watching my videos. Keep turning up in the numbers. I'm gonna keep dropping a sideways video every single day, and I'm gonna keep posting the shorts. The reels are going crazy, bro. And this is my main page now. Like, I love this page. I'm fully invested, and let's see what we can do. Appreciate the watch, bro. I'm about to get out here, go play some more basketball. I'm in San Jose, California, and a lot of people here play basketball, and you know your boy is on that. So I'm about to get back even more in shape, get my mind focused for this journey up to Humboldt and Mendocino and all that crazy stuff. So still, let me know any locations anywhere near me, anywhere in Northern California where I can go. Finishing up this tour, we got the fish knife up there, the air pump, the cutting knife down there with a dodgeball, random dodgeball, some Polaroid pictures, a bunch of clothes, just shorts, women trunks, socks, and underwear. Polaroid, a bunch of spices, my 2 old journals, which I filled up. I'm on journal number 3. Some more random stuff, some knives, forks, spoons. Back here we got the shoes. These are my blankets I threw back here. Got my shirts somewhat folded. They kind of get my string lights that I ordered that I haven't even opened. And yeah, you just know the random stuff back here. I got like a whole bag of winter clothes. Dang, these sirens. Please help this person. I hope whoever this is safe. And they're just overreacting with these super loud sirens. It's kind of crazy. I got a whole bag full of winter clothes because I left for this year's journey in February. And it's September now. So I'm going to do a whole year plus some on just this one journey. So this is somewhere in the middle of it, but this is the beginning of the most fun part, the part I've been looking forward to for my whole time up. It took me so long to get to where I am now, and I'm so grateful for it. And I can't even talk about it no more. I just got to show y'all. If something as small as having a set place to put your toothbrush on, or having enough space to put all your stuff is gonna bother you, then you should not do van life.